Oh, hello. Welcome to another exciting episode of Stupid Race Car Drivers in History. Today's story takes place on December 6th, 2008, at a lovely little speedway in Brazelton, Georgia, called Road Atlanta. Our driver, who shall remain nameless, is visiting the speedway for the first time, and after practice and qualifying, has come to the conclusion that this speedway sucks. Well, his fellow competitors approached him and basically told him that to have a successful weekend, first time out, try for a lap time of 1 minute and 50 seconds. This driver felt this goal was unattainable, as his lap times in practice and qualifying were approaching the 2 minute and 5 second mark. This driver felt that 2:05 minus 150 is 55 seconds, obviously unattainable by any rookie status. Needless to say, this driver went out depressed and frustrated with the realization that this racetrack sucked. He competed in the race and had a slight level of success, turning a lap time of 1 minute and 55 seconds, only 5 seconds off of his goal. It was at that point that this stupid ass driver realized that 2:05 minus 150 is in actuality only 15 seconds. What a dumbass. Thank you so much for joining us for this, another exciting episode of Stupid Race Car Drivers in History.